A cup of coffee gathering, soulmates, souls gathering. Souls are individualized personalities with highest frequencies to feel their own descent to this planet, to work with me, work for me. Do anybody feel that 1,23,201 souls in GlobeMenons Association, if they are properly assembled or united, is it very difficult for them to project anybody or to create business atmosphere? Common sense. 1,23,201 souls of Menon families, if gathered together, they can do so many things wonderfully. They can uplift their own families also. Business, spirituality and prosperity together. So there is meaning for GlobeMenons Association. Join GlobeMenons Association to feel the presence of leading styles, Uniquest leading space, cosmic realities, highest syllabus, high threes. So I am born in a GlobeMenons family to feel the love of God, love of cosmic spirit with highest syllabus in it. 9 o'clock is reserved for GlobeMenons Association and for their strength of unity. So lecture is on ROYL. There is spiritual activities, souls gathering, leading styles, live and lead the way. Nijraj yogic tree, Nijraj yogic life, heart to hearts. Physical get together is essential. To feel the heart, souls gathering, words meet together. Empty all. I am here in this planet. Discussion over a cup of tea, coffee, with cool drinks. GlobeMenons Association is a private association. Spirituality is also a private affair. No government can compel anyone to be in such and such spirituality or such and such religion. So human rights, human values always think about one's own freedom to choose the spirituality that is good or best for human evolution. The GlobeMenons Association played a significant role in tune with millennium evolution. Straight, highest 3 syllabus. They say, my father is not everybody's father. My mother is not everybody's mother. So it's a private family business where Menon's DNA specialized for the purpose in which I am involved, GlobeMenons Association. GlobeMenons Association bestows a complete version of the process of evolution with which many can feel that they are evolving through philosophy and yogic spirituality. So I am concentrating on GlobeMenons Association, and it is DNA of MENONS that is most important right now for righteousness. Straight right, straight left, straight straight. The DNA is individualized, personalized thing of any soul or any human being. The DNA healing, trauma healing, everything is there inbuilt in Nij Yoga meditation. I am a universal, global person, Uniquest leading space. So I am bringing a new philosophy, Nijaraja yogic philosophy and yogic philosophy that takes care of human species through expansive awareness of Nij Yoga. M.E. heart to hearts. Indian Sanatana yogic system, tuned with business, spirituality and prosperity together. And 1,23,201 souls in GlobeMenons Association, INR 3794, that can make real difference in creating destiny and creating wealth also. My 51 crores of housewarming depends upon the real souls for taking care of MESSOULS around the globe, and it requires the real leading styles of spirituality with the visionary path, Nija's path. I am bringing new philosophy, new thought patterns, new process of evolution that will take care of me brand souls. It's a private business, entrepreneurial activities. ME stands for Millennium Entrepreneurs too. It's a business space. It's royal in me. That means it's a private affair. Royal. Same mind integrated loving energies. Left you all a few words. Horseman's way.